This video is an introduction to the hospitality industry. You will learn the hospitality industry definition, the various sectors contained within it, and its connections to the hotel industry and travel industry. For more tips in hospitality, go to www.magnifyingclass.com. The hospitality industry definition and the travel industry definition are closely connected, but there are also some subtle differences to be aware of. On a basic level, the travel or tourism industry is concerned with services for people who have traveled away from their usual place of residence for a relatively short period of time. And what is the hospitality industry definition? By contrast, the hospitality industry is concerned with services related to leisure and customer satisfaction. It primarily involves addressing customer satisfaction and catering to the needs of guests. The multi-billion-dollar hospitality industry has three primary areas. The first area is accommodation, which is concerned with providing customers with a place to stay on a temporary basis. It includes hotels, motels, bed and breakfasts, and other lodging businesses. The next area is food and beverage. This area comprises restaurants, fast food chains, and other establishments that provide food and beverages. Food and beverage providers might be located in hotels to be standalone facilities. The last area of the hospitality industry is travel and tourism, which includes airlines, trains, and cruise ships. The hospitality industry is so diverse that those who are seeking hospitality careers have a substantial number of different job roles to choose from. Whether you want to work in food and drink service, a front office position, cleaning and maintenance, or in a manager role, it is vital to understand the different options available. Whether you are starting a new career in the hospitality industry, or you already have experience in this field, but need to update your understanding of new practices, go to magnifyingclass.com and start your hospitality industry training. You will learn a new profession and new techniques in a few days, and you will receive a professional certificate, which can make a difference in the job interview process. And if you've made it this far in our video, I'm sure you are genuinely interested in expanding your opportunities in the hospitality market. So, I will give you 5% off on any course. Head to www.magnifyingclass.com and use this coupon code to get this discount. Please make sure you subscribe to Magnifying Class channel by clicking on the red button below. We provide new videos about tips in hospitality every single week. And remember to smash that like button. Dedicate yourself to the role you take, study, and keep up to date. If you would like to have a career video about jobs in hotels, please comment below.